Good morning, class 12th. Today we will be on our finishing line. We will be discussing about the results, about the verdict of the 5th general elections. That is the verdict of election of 1971. The results of 5th general elections were dramatic. Dramatic in the sense that in our previous classes we have done that all the political parties who were against Indira Gandhi came closer. They formed a grand alliance in which the Congress O also participated. Congress R only had an alliance with CPI. So when the verdict came out, the Congress and CPI alliance won. वो जीत गई. आपकी बुक में इसके ऊपर भी एक पिक्चर स्टडी दी हुई है. We have discussed this picture study, if you do remember, during online class, that the leaders here are saying midterm race में कि मुझे लगा तुम फर्स्ट आओगे, तुम सेकंड, तुम थर्ड, लेकिन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, all positions total swept was made by Indira Gandhi. At that time, Congress and CPI alliance managed to win 375 seats, which stood for 48.4% of the seats were won by the 48.4 votes were in favor of Congress R. 352 seats were exactly won only and only by Congress R without CPI, and managed to attain 44% votes, total votes at that time, which were casted. Whereas Congress O, the old Congress, the Congress run by the syndicate leaders or under the leadership of S. Nijalingappa, was shattered, totally fell down. It only managed to win 16 seats and just 1/4 of the votes casted at that time. Remaining thing, the Grand Alliance. What happened to it? Grand Alliance, including all the political parties, Praja Socialist Party, Bharatiya Jansangh, Bharatiya Kranti Dal, SSP, your Swatantra Party, and all the other parties. Total milakar, they only managed to win over 40 seats in the Lok Sabha. So it was a total swept, total clean polls with Shrimati Indira Gandhi. Without wasting any time, without taking a break or taking a relaxation, Indira Gandhi immediately did two major steps at that time. Her government took very furious steps at that time. First thing Indira Gandhi at that time did was that she signed a 20-year friendship treaty with USSR to present India on the World Forum. Moreover, at that time in Bangladesh, there were disturbances. Awami League under Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was demanding independence. Indira Gandhi provided her full military, economic, and you can say a mental support, and we had a war. In this war, the Pakistan defeated. By the end of the year 1971, I want to hear basically आपको याद दिलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, recall you that the Indo-Pak War 1971 took place in December. Bangladesh was created in December 1971. But in 1971, full appreciations went to the Indira Gandhi. She was admired, appreciated all over the country. People started hoping for the best, demanding for the best, as they considered that Indira is going to also find out a very fast solution for the poverty and unemployment or the other problems at that time which were being faced by India at that time. So it was also declared that in 1972 the state elections were also conducted. Fine. Now state election in assembly results were held in 1972, which was again clearly swept by the Congress R. Remember the 4th general elections in Northern India part, 9 states Congress was defeated. Now once again Congress won all the elections. Indira was just not seen only as a protector of the poor and unprivileged. She was being projected as a strong national leader. The opposition, whosoever opposed to her policies, within the party or outside the party, didn't simply start mattering to herself. Ultimately, in this way, with two successive successions, one at the national level where she swept the polls, other at the state elections where she swept the polls, there was once again the dominance of the Congress. The Congress restored its power. Congress was now in power in almost all the states. Congress R was the most popular party in different social sections. Within the span of 4 years, Indira dominated in the national government as well as at the international level. There is also a cartoon in your books like this way, where Indira is placing the faces on the dummies. She is appointing the chief ministers. She is choosing the CMs for the different states according to her own will. So many people think that Congress was restored. Now our last topic comes. Really? Is there was a restoration in the government? Some people believe no, this is not a restoration of the old Congress. Only the faction who separated itself from the Indian National Congress, which fought elections on the basis of two symbols, bullets, it has been defeated and the Congress R has won. It is not the original Congress who had restored its power. It is the new Congress. It is reinvented by the Indira Gandhi. Of course, yes, Indira Gandhi occupied the similar position in terms of its popularity as the Indian National Congress was having in its past. But Congress R was a different kind of party. It basically relied on the popularity of a one single leader, that is Indira. It had somewhere weak organizational structure. जहां लोगों इंदिरा की फेवर में नहीं थे, इंदिरा ही इंदिरा हैं. The Congress, who was considered as the one of the political party with ideological and social creation, now the Congress has become a party which could not accommodate all kinds of opinions and interest. Now Congress party do not have different kinds of factions in this. Now Congress was basically dependent upon some social groups, the poor, the women, you can say the Dalits, the Adivasis or the minorities. This was a new Congress which has emerged. The Indira Gandhi restored the Congress system, but it has changed the nature of Congress system itself. Similarly, जब हम ये सब बातें करते हैं तो हम साथ साथ ये भी करते हैं, as there were Congress was not able to, you can say, become more popular. It was not in a capacity, not able to absorb all kinds of tensions and conflicts. Congress system was known for. Congress basically consolidated the position of Indira Gandhi. All over the India there was popular unrest, there was dissatisfaction and distrust. What happened next we will be doing in our next class. Thank you.